Hello, welcome to Trisha and Kavya's Diary. Today we are going to make this beautiful paper star. For this, you will need an A4 size paper with your desired or favorite color. Fold it into half and separate it into 4 equal parts. You should make 8 equal pieces of both blue sheet and the pink sheet. Fold the card into half and do the same with the remaining 15 pieces of both blue and pink. Christians hang stars during Christmas primarily to symbolize the Star of Bethlehem. Now fold as shown here, overlap the edges a half centimeter. Apply the glue as shown here. Star on tree, traditionally placed at the top of the Christmas tree, symbolizing its role in leading to Jesus. Now repeat this process in all the remaining 15 pieces. Now cut as shown here. Now repeat this in the all other remaining 15 pieces. Apply glue as shown here. Paste the sheets on top of each other. Stick the thread as shown here. Now spread the star and join the ends. Now stick the thread of one end to the other end as shown here. Here I have added a little bee. You can add other things as well. And wow, a paper star is ready. Isn't it so beautiful? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.